To my two daughters, my son is here somewhere. This is Kelly. She's living here in Evanston. Came back after graduating from North Carolina A&T. And my oldest daughter is out in LA making it happen. Sabrina, Birdsong, and Kelly. All right, let's make some noise. All right, God bless you. Be safe and have a great race.
All right, let me check, make sure we are ready to go. So athletes said.
Go Karen, where are you? All right.
Bye.
All right, the executive director of the Y is right in the middle of the pack. We expect you to make your way to the